Okay, ready? Hey guys, welcome to George from Nasty Jewels. I'm going to show you a couple different methods how to solder a rope chain, okay? Okay, this is the button method, so I'm going to bring them in and make sure you grab both pieces here. So these going to go just like this. See how nice and clean that joint is? So what you're going to do is right here, so when you put your solder in there, make sure you heat not directly on it. You want to heat outward like this. So make sure your heat flows out, okay? So here you go. I'm going to go here like this. And let it drop on its own. Don't rush it, okay? You can see. So now it's nice and even. You can see here when you turn the other side, all you have to do is just drop a tiny piece right there. Okay? So you could grab both of them, and the thing it stays nice and flexible. It's not going to be stiff. See? Take your time and let it drop in. Okay? You can see it's nice and clean. Okay? I'll show you this joint. So now this is easy. Now you could hit it on the lap machine, make this nice and flat, so it gives it that nice diamond cut, but it's not. You can see it's nice and flexible here. So it's just a little cleanup and you're good to go. I'm gonna cut it right in the center, right here, right in the middle. So I cut two of them. You can see I cut both of them in the center. You don't cut the other side at all. So it has to look just like that. You can see nice and clean. So when I take my rope, you can see here, this part, you wanna insert this in it, and it has to go through the second one. So when you actually squeeze it, okay, and make sure it's in here, so when you squeeze it together, the rope is nice. I don't know if you could see it. I'm trying to do it with my fingers. You can see it goes in perfectly right there. So all you do, just flip it and give it a little tack right there. Okay, so it's that little squeeze. Make sure this lines up. And you could see how perfect of a job this will look. So nothing. So all you got to do, you flip it like this. You could see where the actual opening here, and just solder it. It's that simple. It's not that. So make sure, if you have a laser, it will be 10 times faster. But even with the torch, it's much easier. So make sure this is grab and bolt. Okay? So when you flip it up, you have a nice, beautiful look right there. Okay? All right, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. And any questions, please leave them in there. There's many ways to do it, but that's the right way. I've been doing it for a very, very long time. Thanks for watching.